lovely people, and happy fall. Welcome back to my channel. Today we went to get coffee and breakfast this morning. We got some coffee at Crown Brew, our favorite place ever to get morning coffee, and then we went to our favorite bakery, the only bakery in town, and I got breakfast, and then I also got some hot apple cider, which is still really good. I haven't drank all of it, but I mean, I don't think I've ever had like this good of apple cider. It is so good. It's even got like the cinnamon stick in it. I mean, yummy. We went there and we were gonna walk to the farmer's market, but there wasn't really anyone there. It was a little chilly this morning, and it's finally getting cold here, which is phenomenal, because there for a while, you know, especially in September, like I was wearing sweaters, I was wearing my fall wardrobe, and literally was so miserable the whole time because I was so miserable the whole time because like it was like 80 degrees and trying to look cute and, you know, be the fall girl, but it was just not real. And so now it's real and it's actually cold. And so we can be cozy and not be miserable at the same time. But we also went to the pumpkin patch, and I haven't been to the pumpkin patch since, like, you know how you go to the pumpkin patch on your grade school trip. So we went to the pumpkin patch, and I just wanted to shoot some content there for Instagram, and I wanted to just look at the pumpkins because it was, you know, kind of like a bucket list thing. Ow, hey, no, it's not nice. It was kind of just like a bucket list thing, you know, that I wanted to just mark off. And I ended up getting some really cute pumpkins. And it was so cute because the pumpkins that I got, like one of them's pink, and it was the only pink one left. And so I'm gonna show you guys some of the pumpkins I got without Remy trying to like attack me with my apple cider. Hey, can you sit? Go sit. Go sit. Look how cute. I mean, stop it. Just so adorable. Like, it's light pink. It's actually kind of lighter on the video than it is. Hey, that's a no-no. Sometimes she likes to bite my hand, and especially the one with my ring on it, and so is the one that was literally the only one left. I was trying to find more, but I couldn't find any more pink ones. It's actually a lot darker in person. This camera makes it look a lot lighter than it actually is, but it's just, you know, pink. So that is that. There we go. Cute little pumpkin. That's the first one. Cute little pumpkin. And honestly, like, if I turn around the table, because it looks so cute right now, it ties everything in. I was just setting the pumpkin up there to like be there, you know, while I was videoing, and it looks so cute with the flowers. It just ties everything in. The white one needs to be washed off, but just a cute little white one to go with the pink. And then I needed some more orange, so I got some orange ones, and I'll probably cut off the stems because I don't really like the long stem ones. But those are it. And we didn't have cash, and Kyle only had $3, so I only could get a few because they did not accept card or contactless payments. So that's all we got. The other reason that I bought them was because I think I'm gonna do it today. I've been saying in my videos about how much, like every single time I've said I'm going to, she thinks the pumpkins are a chew toy. They're not a chew toy, see? I have been talking about how, no, they're not chew toys. I've been talking in my videos so much about like painting the fireplace black, and it literally has been on my to-do list for like 2 months now. I just, when Saturday comes along, like I just want to enjoy it, and I, you know, you talk about painting something and then you start painting it and you're like, oh, why did I do this? Because like I painted that dresser, it was when we first moved in, and I was like good at first, and then I was getting tired of it because I had to add layers and layers. But I really want to get this done, especially before Halloween. And I just think that it's going to look so much better in here. It's really going to make everything else pop with it being black. And I really want to get it done before Christmas. And so I don't really want to do it in November because I know I'll be busy with Thanksgiving and all that other stuff and decorating for Christmas. I plan on decorating for Christmas November 1st. I'm one of those people. I've already started scrolling on Pinterest and looking up like my style this year. And so obviously, yes, went and got pumpkins, but you know, they were $3. Are you saying hello? Sit. Thank you. So I'm going to get my painting clothes on and we are going to paint the fireplace. Finally, we're going to paint it black. I really think it's going to look good. Like, I'm not worried at all. I already know what black looks like in our apartment just because of the cabinets. It looks well with the floor that we have, and it's just going to pop off the wall because our walls are they're like a creamy white, and so our rug's white, and so I think the fireplace being black is just gonna add just a pop of color, even though it's black, and it's just gonna make decorating more fun, especially with Christmas time. And so I'm gonna take you guys along for that today. But first, I need to do the dishes because the sink is full. And I need to just kind of tidy up around here. It's not really dirty because I just cleaned like 2 days ago. But I just want to tidy up for a quick minute. Are you wanting me to throw your toy? I just want to tidy up and then change, and then we'll start painting. And I will show you guys, like, obviously, I'll paint it today, but I won't be able to move it back in till tomorrow or the next day. And so I'll show you guys like how I decorate it because I haven't really decorated it for fall. I'm probably just gonna honestly put these pumpkins on the side of the TV, on the fireplace, and then, oh my goodness, let go. I'll probably put the pumpkins on the side of the fireplace and then just keep my fall candles that I have up there, and then that'll be it. Because in a few short weeks, 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I'll be decorating for Christmas, and all this stuff is going to be coming down and going in boxes. So not going to do sweat too much about it. And then, yeah. So that's fun. We're finally doing it. No biting. We're finally doing it after, no! We're finally doing it after so many times of me saying that we would do it. I told myself, and I told Kyle, I was like, I'm gonna do it today. So, had some accountability, and so it's gonna be good. But, let's go do a DIY on my own piece of furniture. dishes done, did some things for Kyle for his content for Instagram, and I changed into a shirt that I don't really care about that much because I'm clumsy. Paint is gonna get on me. Also gonna wear gloves because nails. I just got these done and I do not want them damaged for paint. So got leggings on, this comfy shirt that I don't care about in case I get paint on it. Usually when it's like painting furniture, I don't get stuff, but whatever. So got changed, did the dishes, tidied up around here, and then now I'm going to take all the movies out, the candles off, the TV off, clean it, and then I'm going to move it outside. And I checked the weather because it's kind of windy here and cloudy today, and I thought, can't paint it unless like if the weather is bad, because it kind of seems like it's gonna like storm or rain. And so I was a little worried, especially for tomorrow too, like it'll have to sit outside overnight. Hopefully like no one tries to like pick it up either, because unless we sit down on our back patio. So we will see, but there's no rain for the weather, so we're good on that. Just gonna get stuff out of there and then we will start painting. So when I was scrolling on Pinterest the other day, I also am going to do a little project in our bedroom that I think that is so fun. And our bedroom is kind of like bland right now because, you know, we're the only ones that go in there, you know, roomy and stuff. And so there's really no need for it to be like showstopper, like style and stuff. But since I'm getting this project done in the living room today, and we just got pictures done, so I'm gonna be printing off some pictures to put up on the walls. I am wanting to do a board and batten wall that our bed sits against in black, because we have some leftover wood, and Kyle the other day was like, I guess we'll just throw this wood away. I was like, no, we can do board and batten. We don't even have to like buy any wood, it'll be fine. So we're gonna DIY that too. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna paint that black, and on the opposite side of the wall that the dresser is not on, I'm wanting to do like a mixed tile look with our pictures, and I'm also wanting to get some wall sconces to put on either side of the bed. That way that can eliminate the lamps that we have, because the lamps right now that I have in our bedroom are like super big and I just don't like how they look. And so I'm gonna do that, and I think it's gonna add like a lot to that bedroom. And then I want to get a rug to put underneath the bed. It's just we're slowly progressing and making things ours and cozy. And so yeah, but that's the next project. I said it on here, it's gonna happen, it has to happen. We will see when it happens. So that's the next project, but today we're getting this fireplace done. So